Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the device won't die mid-change. Charge above 10% or keep it plugged in. Once done, make sure you export or back up your current theme profile so you can revert if needed. Next, open Settings and go straight to Display or Themes. Don't browse other menus. You're about to switch the battery theme, so having power and a backup prevents data loss and speeds the process. You now pick the only way battery theme in the theme store or load its APK or package from local storage. Once selected, tap Preview and then customize to dial in color, animation timing, and indicator size. This is where you control visibility and battery readouts. Make sure you apply changes to the system UI and accept any permissions the OS prompts for, because without permissions, the theme can't modify the status bar or battery indicator. You finish by tapping Apply and then restarting the system UI or rebooting the device if the theme doesn't immediately show. After reboot, verify the battery icon appears correctly on the lock screen, home screen, and inside apps so you catch any inconsistencies. If the theme fails to render or icons overlap, clear theme cache, reapply, or restore the backup you exported. That one troubleshooting step usually fixes permission or cache conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.